I'm Tony Dong, creator of Lead Magnet Forge. Thank you for looking at this partner opportunity. Lead Magnet Forge helps creators, consultants, marketers, and agencies turn a focused idea into a complete lead-generating asset. It connects the brief, editable ebook, PDF design, opt-in form, delivery, and leads dashboard. In this overview, I'll show you the product, target buyers, 5-offer funnel, commission, partner resources, and launch contest. The launch will run for 7 days, with the exact start date announced when confirmed. My goal is to give you clear facts, real visuals, transparent pricing, and useful assets, so you can judge whether this offer fits your audience.
Most lead magnet tools stop when text is generated, but text is not yet a list-building system. Someone still has to edit it, design the PDF, host the file, build the form, deliver the download, and track the lead. Those handoffs create friction and leave campaigns unfinished. Lead Magnet Forge gives you a stronger angle than saying AI writes an ebook. It helps move an idea from brief to published lead magnet while keeping content editable and results visible. That message applies to creators seeking subscribers, consultants building acquisition assets, course sellers educating prospects, and agencies delivering repeatable client work.
A user begins with a short brief, the outcome, audience, and writing tone. Lead Magnet Forge generates an editable 5-chapter ebook. The user reviews it, adds expertise, chooses a coordinated template, previews multiple pages, publishes the PDF, customizes the opt-in form, and copies the embed code. Captured leads and delivery status appear in the leads dashboard, while My eBooks keeps the publication, form, performance, and editing workflow connected. The front end includes 5 ebook generations per month, 100 monthly fallback deliveries, and 5 implementation bonuses. It works independently. Optional upgrades expand specific creation, delivery, design, follow-up, or agency needs.
You can match the message to several audiences. Creators and newsletter operators can turn expertise into an email list asset. Coaches and consultants can build a guide leading naturally into a call or service. Course sellers can educate prospects before an offer. Email marketers can connect content, capture, and delivery. Freelancers and agencies can create client assets through the agency upgrade. Local business marketers can package niche-specific resources, while affiliates can create relevant bonus guides and grow an owned audience. Choose the angle that reflects your audience's real workflow. Our email, review, social, and banner assets help you personalize the campaign without inventing claims.
The funnel has 5 clearly separated offers. The front end is $37 regularly. Launch pricing starts at $32 for days 1 and 2, then rises $1 daily to $37. OTO 1 is $37 today, followed by $37 monthly while the subscription remains active. It adds unlimited fair use creation, 4 ESP connections, 300 fallback deliveries, recovery, retry, and health monitoring. OTO 2 is $37 for 18 premium template systems. OTO 3 is $47 for editable 5 to 7 email campaigns. OTO 4 is $199 for client workspaces, approvals, delivery portals, and agency resources. Every upgrade is optional and disclosed separately. The planned commission is 50% on eligible initial funnel purchases. At the opening price, the front-end commission is $16. OTO 1 adds $18.50 initially. OTO 2 adds $18.50. OTO 3 adds $23.50. OTO 4 adds $98.50. If one buyer purchased every offer, the illustrative initial commission is up to $175. OTO 1 also has a planned 10% recurring commission, or $3.70 per eligible monthly renewal, while the subscription remains active. This is not an earnings promise. JVZoo controls attribution, refunds, eligibility, payouts, and final commission settings.
You will have real product proof, not only feature bullets. The JV page includes a demonstration of the dashboard, ebook brief, editor, templates, PDF design, library, leads dashboard, ESP connections, and agency client workspace. Approved partners may request review access. The page also shows historical screenshots from my own work promoting other vendors as an affiliate. Those are not Lead Magnet Forge results and do not predict partner earnings. They simply show that I understand the affiliate side of a launch, value reciprocal promotion, and intend to support partners with accurate information and practical materials. The promotion kit is ready. The email pack contains 8 messages from pre-launch through final call, plus subject lines, pricing, and disclosure guidance. The review pack provides a balanced long-form article covering the workflow, front end, 4 upgrades, considerations, FAQ, and verdict. The social kit includes short posts, Facebook and LinkedIn copy, an X thread, launch captions, hooks, hashtags, and disclosure examples. The banner zip includes 5 branded PNG sizes for websites, email, social, and bridge pages. Download each resource separately or take the complete kit. Add your JVZoo link, personalize the copy, verify current pricing, and disclose your affiliate relationship. The launch runs for 7 days. Pre-launch introduces the demo and connected workflow. Day 1 opens at $32. Day 2 focuses on use cases. Day 3 brings the first price rise. Day 4 emphasizes product proof. Day 5 presents the value stack. Day 6 handles objections. Day 7 is the final launch day reminder before the $37 evergreen price. Partners can also compete for a $350 contest, $200 for first place with 20 qualified sales, $100 for second with 12, and $50 for third with 8. Only paid, non-refunded, policy-compliant sales count. Final dates and rules will be published before launch. If Lead Magnet Forge fits your audience, request approval through JVZoo and tell me how you plan to promote. After approval, copy your tracked link, download the partner kit, review the demo, choose the right audience angle, and share your expected mailing date. Please avoid spam, misleading income claims, fabricated testimonials, fake scarcity, unauthorized rebates, or brand impersonation. We want qualified buyers, low refunds, and partnerships that can continue beyond one launch. Thank you for considering Lead Magnet Forge. I'm Tony Dong, and I look forward to supporting you. Get your affiliate link, prepare your campaign, and watch for the confirmed 7-day launch date. In this short demonstration, I'm going to show you how Lead Magnet Forge turns a simple idea into a complete published lead magnet. We'll create the ebook, review and edit the AI-generated content, choose a coordinated design, publish the PDF, customize the opt-in form, and capture a real test lead. Everything you're about to see happens inside one connected workspace. This is the Lead Magnet Forge dashboard. From here, you can see how many ebooks you have created, how many are published or still in draft, how many leads have been captured, and whether your lead magnet deliveries have been completed. Your recently created ebooks appear in the same workspace, so you don't have to search through folders, design projects, form builders, and disconnected spreadsheets. Let's create a new ebook. Lead Magnet Forge starts with a focused brief rather than an empty document. First, I'll describe the result I want the guide to help readers achieve. In this example, we're creating a practical guide that teaches coaches and consultants how to build their first high-converting lead magnet. Next, I'll define the intended audience. This gives the writing system important context about the reader's situation, goals, and likely frustrations. Finally, I can choose a writing tone. Friendly works well for approachable educational content. Expert provides a more confident, structured style. Casual creates a relaxed and conversational reading experience. For this demonstration, I'll select Expert and generate the ebook. Lead Magnet Forge now creates a structured 5-chapter draft around the same audience and promise. It isn't simply generating 5 unrelated articles. The chapters are designed to move the reader from understanding the problem to taking a clear next step. Generation time may vary depending on the selected AI model and current provider traffic, so I'll speed up this short section. The generated ebook is now available in the editor. On the left, we have the complete chapter structure.
I can open any chapter and review its title, purpose, and content. Most importantly, the draft remains editable. I can change a headline, add a personal example, remove something that doesn't fit my positioning, or rewrite the call to action. For example, I'll make this chapter title more specific and add a short note that reflects my own experience. AI gives us a useful starting point, but Lead Magnet Forge keeps the user in control of the final publication. Once the content is ready, we can move to design. Lead Magnet Forge includes coordinated design systems rather than applying a decorative cover to plain interior pages. Each design controls the cover, table of contents, chapter openings, content pages, callouts, worksheets, and final call to action. I can preview different templates and select the direction that fits this topic and audience. Depending on the available design controls, I can also adjust the color palette, typography, and layout density. I'll select this design and save it to the ebook. Here is the live PDF preview using the actual content we just created. Notice that the title, chapters, examples, and action steps belong to this ebook. They are not fixed template text. I can review the cover and inside pages before publishing. When everything looks right, I'll publish the ebook. Publishing changes the ebook from a working draft into a lead magnet that can be downloaded and connected to an opt-in form. The PDF remains available from My eBooks, and I can return later to update the content or design when needed. Every published ebook includes a matching lead capture form. Inside Embed and Delivery, I can customize the form headline, button text, success message, and color theme. The preview updates immediately, allowing me to see what visitors will experience before placing the form on a website. Lead Magnet Forge then generates a ready-to-paste iframe. I can copy this code and add it to a website, landing page, blog post, or any platform that supports HTML embeds. The front end also includes a monthly fallback delivery allowance, allowing new users to begin capturing leads without first building a separate email delivery system. I've placed the embed code on this test page. The form is responsive, so it can adapt to the available content width on desktop and mobile devices. Before sending traffic, I recommend submitting a real test email. I'll enter an email address and request the guide. The visitor sees the custom success message, while Lead Magnet Forge records the submission against the correct ebook. Back inside the Leads dashboard, the new contact is already connected to the lead magnet they requested. I can see the contact, lead magnet, delivery method, delivery status, and capture time. Search and filters make it easier to manage leads from different ebooks without maintaining a separate spreadsheet. Delivery statuses also make problems visible. If a delivery fails, the dashboard provides a clearer indication of what happened instead of silently losing the lead. My eBooks acts as the central publication library. I can distinguish between drafts and published ebooks, see the number of leads associated with each publication, and reopen an ebook whenever I need to make changes. A published ebook is not locked permanently. I can update its content, revise the design, retrieve the embed code again, or download the latest PDF without rebuilding the entire campaign from scratch. In just a few minutes, we moved through the complete lead magnet workflow. We defined the audience and outcome, generated a structured 5-chapter ebook, edited the content, selected a coordinated design, reviewed the real PDF, published the ebook, customized an opt-in form, and captured a test lead. The front end includes the core creation workspace, 5 ebook generations per month, published PDF delivery, embed forms, the leads dashboard, and up to 100 fallback deliveries per month. Optional upgrades are available for users who need direct ESP routing, additional template systems, follow-up email sequences, or agency client management, but they are not required to begin creating and publishing lead magnets.
If you have been delaying your lead magnet because writing, design, publishing, forms, and delivery felt like 5 separate projects, Lead Magnet Forge gives you a more connected way to finish the job. Click the button below to get access, create your first ebook, and turn your next useful idea into a lead-generating asset. I'll see you inside Lead Magnet Forge.
If you buy through my link, I'll give you a free bonus package valued at $747. The bonus is a course, not a PDF, designed to help you earn up to $10,000 per month. To claim it, please take a screenshot of your purchase and send it to me on Facebook. I'll send your free bonus right away.